YouTube, what's going on? It's Octane Red 392. Today I'm going to be installing my Legmaker air filter. I'm going to be doing little snippets. I'm going to show some video, then I'm going to cut because all I got is an iPhone. So here we go. All right, right now this is the moment of truth. I've already removed my air box and I'm going to be cutting an incision right here. Well, not an incision, just a little gap for this bad boy. It's gonna be coming up like that. All right, wish me luck. All right, YouTube, Octane Red 392 coming back at you. So we made the cut, and this rubber lining comes with the Legmaker kit. Yeah, so that's the hard part. Oh, sorry, there's another piece. This was a doozy. So this clip right here is accessible from the top of this hole. So underneath here, it's like right inside here is where it's at on this side. You can get to it with a clip remover. As far as these two, you get to like tilt it like that while it's under the car to get your hand in between the front bumper and here to be able to get inside here. And they're just pressure pins. There's nothing like technical about it. There's no screw. You just use a clip remover to get those two, and then easy set. Oh, these two dots right here is where a sensor is. It's not a sensor, it's a light connecting connection for the fog lights, I think. And don't just rip this out because this is connected pretty well. As you see, there's two clips they use to hold that piece in place. With the zip ties in the kit, you can zip tie that to the side, inside of the bumper, and that'd be fine. But all right, next time you'll be seeing the entire cold air intake in here, Legmaker, front bumper, cold air intake. All right, guys, here's the end of the install. This is the Legmaker front fender pull cold air intake for the Dodge Chargers. This is how it looks. Now you see some other ones for the Hellcat. They're actually shorter. They come out and they stop right here, and they have the cover that goes over it for the heat extractors. Well, Scats don't have that, and Daytonas don't have that, which is the Scat. Anyways, this is how it looks from the top. This is also a replacement they give you to supplement the AC to still get cold air. And down here is the bottom of it. As you can see right here, I have the sleeve optional for these filters. It does not come with the filter. But this sleeve is to help prevent water intake and just hydrolocking in general. I mean, you don't want to drive in 3 feet of water with this intake, let alone with this car. So, yeah. That's about it, guys. Octane Red 392 signing out. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Subscribe, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in the next install, which will probably be my oil catch can over there.